Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of antique brass hardware. Join me as we explore the charm, history, and versatility of these timeless pieces. Let's get started. Anti-unique brass hardware refer to vintage piece made from brass, a metal alloy now for its durability and unique golden brown hue. These hardware items were commonly used in furniture, doors, cabinets, and other decorative elements in the past. Just look at this stunning antique doorknob in my hand. The intricate design and warm patina are a testament to the craftsmanship of yesteryears. Antique brass hardware carries a sense of history and adds a touch of elegance to any space. Restoring antique brass hardware can be a rewarding project. With a little elbow grease, and the right techniques, you can bring back the shine and beauty of these vintage chairs. Cleaning, polishing, and careful handling are essential to preserving their authenticity. The value of antique brass hardware depends on various factors, including its rarity, condition, and historical significance. Some pieces can be quite valuable, especially if they are from a renowned marker or associated with a particular period or stars. Incorporating your antique brass hardware into your home decor is a fascinating way to infuse a touch of elegance. Whether you are restoring an anti-unique piece of furniture or adding vintage flair to the modern spaces, these hardware items can be the perfect finishing touch. And that includes our exploration of antique brass hardware. We have discovered its charm, history, and versatility. Whether you are a collector, a die enthusiast, or someone who appreciates the beauty of the past, antique brass hardware offer a world of possibilities. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.